chicken broccoli salad. So I've already started so that I can hurry it up for you guys. What I've done so far is I've got my chicken. I've cut like chicken breast into little tiny pieces, small pieces, and I'm frying them up in a little bit of vegetable oil, just a teeny bit, like maybe 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, okay? Then, while this is cooking, I'm going to tell you what else is the ingredients for this. Now, this is a salad, okay? So it's not like, you know, I need to cook everything. So in this bowl, I have some chopped up or diced up, larger diced bell peppers and green onions. Then I have the pasta that I use because I didn't have any fettuccine. Usually I use fettuccine, but I didn't have any. So I just use regular spaghetti noodles. And so that's already pre-cooked. And then I've got my broccoli already cut up and ready. And I've got a little bit of nuts that will go in the last part of the dish. So I'm cooking this up, and you don't need to cook it very long. This is a very fast dish. It's just mostly just chopping everything up, you know, and getting it ready to throw in. It's kind of almost like a stir fry. Okay. So then I have a sauce here that I made, and for the sauce, I used the same thing. I used the vegetable oil. I used 2 tablespoons of the vegetable oil. I didn't have sesame seed oil, but I do have sesame seed. And then I used like 2 big tablespoons of peanut butter. And then I used like a ½ a teaspoon of red chili. And then 2 tablespoons of soy. And then the last thing I'm going to add is I'm going to add a little lime, because I like a little lime in mine. And then I put 2 tablespoons of hot water in that. And I just kind of mix it together like that. Okay, let's check out this chicken now again. Chicken. So you want to cook the chicken for about 5 minutes until you see that it's no longer pink and it's starting to get a little brown now. This is a very fast dish. Maybe 1 more minute and then I'm going to stop on that. Let me taste. Chicken. Don't cook it too much where it dries out, but you want to check it, make sure that it's not pink, because you don't want to get sick from chicken. Okay, so now I'm going to take the chicken off, and I'm going to put it in a plate and put it to the side. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water, a teeny bit. And now I'm going to take my broccoli, and I'm going to put my broccoli in there. You're only going to do the broccoli for a couple of minutes. You know, the Oriental people don't usually overcook their stuff. You like, especially broccoli and things like that. When you go to the eat-out restaurants and stuff, you always see the broccoli looks crunchy and fresh. I like that. I think it's healthier for you when it's not overcooked. I hate when, you know, people, you get to a restaurant and the broccoli looks like it's been killed. I mean, like it's like it's waterlogged. Okay, now at that point, I'm going to leave it for about 2 minutes sitting in there, okay? Yeah. And I also put a little bit of fresh garlic with the peanut sauce. This is almost like chicken satay that you're making the dressing, but usually with chicken satay, you use a little sugar, brown sugar with that. At least I do, and I use quite a bit of lemon. So in the 2 minutes, when the 2 minutes is up, I'm going to start throwing everything in. And this is probably enough here for 4 people. I'm going to take some over for my son. Yeah, I think that's good enough now. Okay. There we go. All right, so now the chicken goes back in. The pasta goes in. Now I'm going to turn that off, and I'm just going to assemble it all. that pasta in there. And you can add some black pepper if you wanted. Now, I didn't add salt because I added the soy. And the soy has a lot of salt. If you see how they make it, like, yeah, I have to be really careful with the soy because now that, you know, the older age people, you know, we have to watch our hypertension and stuff. It just comes on really quick with us. Stir that around. Now I'm going to put the peanut sauce now. So basically, you just keep stirring that till you get it all mixed in there, and then that's it. You've got your Thai broccoli chicken salad already done up. And then you're gonna add the nuts. Just peanuts, chopped up peanuts. And if you don't have something, you know, you can always substitute it. It's you know, it's no big deal. Okay. Now let's add a little bit of sesame. I like sesame. And I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Sometimes I add black sesame seeds. Those are good too. And there you go. Now, if you wanted this a little bit more creamier or more moist and stuff, you could maybe, you know, do a little bit more of the sauce. But in my case, I just have to really, you know, watch that I don't have all that soy sauce and stuff in there. Yeah, just a little bit is good enough for me. This, you know, this will be okay like that. And there you have it. So there's our Thai chicken broccoli salad for the night. Just me eating tonight, but I'll probably take some for my son. My husband, I'm house sitting this week and pup sitting. So anyway, all right guys, thank you very much. If you've enjoyed this video today, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye now.